Hello and welcome back to my vlog. This is, I think, 137. I've been doing it for about, I don't know, maybe since 2018 or something like that. But when I look back at the videos from the beginning, I realized, wow, I can't believe how much has changed in 7 or 8 years. Not only me physically, but everything going on in my life, between the pets that have come and gone, who's been living in my house and is not here anymore, different jobs, different friends. And I guess the reason I'm thinking about all of this is because I've had several friends over the last couple of weeks who just turned 60. And that means the end of this year, I will be turning 60.
Oh my God!
So, everyone said, oh, 50. I didn't really think 50 was a big deal, but it was my mission to be 50 and fabulous. And I was. I pulled it off. Did a belly dance show, my one and only. I was looking all fabulous. And then menopause. What the hell was God thinking? Thank you, Eve. Biting the freaking apple. We got tortured from start to finish. But yeah, so it's taken a toll. Thank God the worst of that is over. At least I have my sanity and my sleep back, which really, without the sleep, there's no sanity. So I just thought that I would address the idea of turning 60 this year and acknowledging all of my beautiful friends who are also going to be turning 60. So this weekend, I have a surprise birthday party I'm going to for one of my, I don't want to say oldest friends, but the longest. When I moved into Secaucus in first grade, she was one of my first friends. And we have been friends ever since, and her family is just amazing. Everybody that knows her loves her, and they threw her a surprise party. So I hope she's surprised, and even if she's not, she's definitely going to be surprised that I'm there because she doesn't live very close. So I will show you all about that. You love me? How much? Or does that mean I love you? Can I have your paw? Give me paw. Good boy. You want more?
I always say, I wish you could see yourself through other people's eyes.
Oh, yes.
Because everybody loves you so much, and you don't know it. You don't know how wonderful and beautiful and loved you are. So you gotta feel it. Who I've known since I was in diapers, and I thank God every day that she came into my life. But everyone in this place, we love Frankie. That's why we're all here. She's just one of the best humans that we've ever met. She is always so giving. She always makes sure everyone around us is okay. She loves us exactly who we are, and no matter what state we're in, and somehow she always makes us smile no matter what. She's the reason.
Keep smiling, keep shining. You can always count on.
Okay, you know, join in the chorus, please.
Ready? That's what friends are for. In good times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
I looked up, oh, it's another year gone by. Oh, it must be time to celebrate again. And it's true when I tell you it's your day today. And it's true when I tell you it's your day today. It's your beautiful birthday, your beautiful birthday, your beautiful.
Hey, we are going to have a blizzard here tomorrow. So I'm hoping somebody comes in today for yoga. We probably will get a lot of people knowing they're going to be stuck in the house. So let's see what that's all about. Coffee for me. Cookie for you. Okay, Okay, this is about maybe 3 hours into the snowfall starting. It's supposed to go on, I think, all night into the morning. So it's only 10 degrees here at the moment. And just in the 30 seconds my glove is off doing this, my freaking fingers are freezing. I'm walking down the block to train a client. Yeah, why not, right? Much better now, huh, buddy?